Hello boys and girls, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see how we can create a chasing game in Scratch. A chasing game means one usual one cat will chase a mouse. So here we will be the mouse. We will be controlling the mouse and cat has to catch us. So simple game. For that, first if we know a mild about Scratch, then we have to have two sprites. At least one is our cat, other is our mouse. So I'm taking this mouse. Now I need the cat. I'm going to use the top views. Ta-da! Now let me draw one background for the game. I like red colored background always. There. Shoo. Nice. Now how are we going to control the mouse? We will use our mouse pointer to control the mouse. Now how? The mouse has to follow my mouse pointer. So that we have to program. Ew, background is needed to be adjusted a little here. Done. So how? First, the mouse has to point towards my mouse pointer in order to chase the pointer. Point towards mouse pointer. You can see my mouse is pointing towards my mouse pointer. Now if I wanted to do that throughout the game, we have to have a forever. You can see your mouse is pointing towards my mouse pointer. Now I need a block which can let it go wherever it is pointing. That is move 10 steps. I am reducing speed a mild. So my mouse's code is done. Now my cat should follow the mouse. Simple, same code we can have. Instead of mouse pointer, we'll give mouse. This is a way to copy the code. Forever point towards mouse. Ta-da! Uh-oh. Now if we'll have the same speed, then you cannot run away. So reduce the speed. Now you can run. Oh, okay. Lovely. Perfect. Now what's left? Shoo. When the cat will touch the mouse, stop the game. Simple. So if we are coding in cat, then we'll get mouse. So if touching mouse, then stop all. Run, 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 run. Uh-oh. So it's working. Now, if I wanted to code separately, that's also possible. Uh-oh. But see, that if is not working. Why? You can see the other code. Uh-oh. This code is glowing, but the if's code, but the other code is glowing, but the if's code is not glowing. That means it's not under execution. So in order to keep checking again and again, we have to have forever there. Ta-da! Alright, now see, if we'll try to start the game again, I cannot start since they are already too close to each other. So I have to fix their starting positions. Take it there. and then go to XY, so that we can start from that position every time. See, wherever your cat is doesn't matter. Whenever we'll click, it will go there. Same for the mouse. Keep them, uh, make sure that you're having enough gap between. So keep your mouse here, then go to XY. See, their positions are matching. Go to XY. Done. Now every time whenever I'll start, I'll find they both are there, each to the different corners. Clear? Perfect. Next, how I can score. So I need something to score. Let's go take a food. Food. There. Which one you think a mouse can like? Egg, jar, muffin? Muffin? Can be muffin. Okay. Reduce the size, or 40. Perfect. Now what I have to do, I have to eat this muffin every time to get a score. And whenever I'll eat the muffin, that muffin should appear somewhere else. Simple code. If muffin is touching the mouse, if touching mouse, touching mouse. See, if muffin is touching the mouse, then go to random position. Again my if is not working. Can you help? Oh yes, thank you. We need a forever. Perfect. Now what do we need? A score. So we need to create a variable. Go to variable, create a variable, name it score. Done. Now first, whenever we are starting the game, my variable's value should be 0. So when I'm clicking the flag, it can be 0. And then if I'm touching the mouse one, it's when your muffin is touching the mouse one, then increase the variable. Here we already have if touching mouse one, so increase the score. And this one we don't have to code here separately, since we have one flag click there, we can connect it there. Remove this. You see my score is increasing. Change score by 1 means it will add 1 with your score always, whenever this block will be executed. Clear? Now let's see what's next. Our score is done. Oh, so when we are losing, we are not being able to understand that yes, we have lost. Let's go take a good picture. Some picture from Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry. Image. So we have lost. That means we need one image where Tom has got Jerry. This one is lovely. Save image as. Okay, save. Now we have to upload that backdrop, the one I have saved. Go to the file location. Where is it? Where is it? Desktop. Scratch PNGs. Sort it by dates. It should come at the top. Oh, there. Aha. Now, what I want, whenever that cat will touch Cherry, then this background will come. Okay, let's say this one's name is what can I name it? Cot. Aha. So here we are, now this is for muffins. There we are catching the mouse. So here we can add, next switch your backdrop to backdrop cot. Aha. But see, whenever we are starting the game, my background is the cot one, so I should have background 1 whenever we are starting. Ta-da! Until we lose, we can keep playing. Well, enjoy the game. If you have any question, any doubts, write it in the chat or comments actually. Sorry. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good night.